Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is ninth chapter, respiration in organisms. Students, what is the respiration? Already you have know about that, and we will discuss about this in this chapter, how we are taking that, what is that respiration, what is the breathing, and how it is different organs are acting on the for the respiration. Okay students, so today now we are going to discuss about that, what is that introduction classes, and what is the learning objects, what are things we will study in this chapter. Okay, so see students, here I have written that learning objectives. First one we will study respiration and its need. What is that respiration, and what is the importance for us, what is its need. Second one is types of respiration. There are different types of respiration is there. Okay, and process of respiration, how it is processing, how it is controlling in our body or in other different animals, we will discuss in this. What is the breathing and human respiratory system in our body, how what is the respiratory system, what is that, how the lungs is working, what about that respiratory systems, about that we will discuss. Mechanisms of breathing in humans, breathing in cockroach, earthworm, frog and fish. Frog and fish. About that, how the breathing they are taking cockroach, earthworm and frog and fish also we will discuss in this chapter. Next, respiration in plants. Plants also taking the respiration, because already you know that by that photosynthesis it is releasing, what is that, oxygen gases is releasing, yes, and carbon dioxide also taking, that also by the respiratory system, that means by the respiration. Okay, so all that, may animals or plants, all that organisms are doing that water, taking that respiratory systems or doing that water respiration. Okay, so first of all today we are going to discuss about that, what is the respiration. Okay students, the process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called respiration or cellular respiration. In our body, all organs or the parts of the body are made of by cells. Okay, and the cells are doing that activities, and like that one so many all that activities are there. Out of that, one is respiration. Okay, transportation is there, respiration is there, so many things are there, but one activity is respiration. That means inside the body, the cells doing that respiration. Okay, and what happening that it is breaking down, the process of breakdown of food in the cells with the release of energy. That means in the cell, when that food is breakdown and in the cell and releasing, what is that, oxygen gas, or that generally energy is releasing. Okay, and whenever that energy is releasing, that process, that is called as respiration. Okay, or cellular respiration. And what is that oxidation? It is a chemical reaction which involves addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. When in the so many different chemical reactions are there, but such chemical reactions in which cases oxygen will be added. Okay, and or also if hydrogen gas will release or remove from that substances, that is called as oxidation. Okay, oxidation reaction is there. Another one is reduction also is there. Reduction reaction means what is that, addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen, that is called as a reduction. So it's a reverse. Okay, so what is that oxidation? That is a chemical reaction in which involves addition of oxygen. So very carefully important friends, addition of oxygen or loss of hydrogen, that means removal of hydrogen. We have to remove that hydrogen. That process is called as oxidation. So where it is oxidation taking place? Whenever that carbon with oxygen is a carbon dioxide gas is releasing in our body. Whatever is the food we are taking, that is the carbohydrates. Yes, carbohydrates, glucose, like that things are there. Whenever we are foods we are taking, that carbohydrates, it contain all the foods are the carbons, contain the carbon. And whenever we are taking that oxygen, okay, by breathing, by the respiration, we are taking that, when that oxygen gas, that is mixing with the carbon, and then after it is helping for other activities and releasing that carbon dioxide gas. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस हमको निकल रही, ये सो ना, कौन सा गैस हम ले रहे, ऑक्सीजन गैस ले रहे, एंड कौन सा गैस हम रिलीज कर रहे, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस से रिलीज कर रहे, ठीक है। सो दिस इज अबाउट दैट ऑक्सीडेशन। रिडक्शन क्या होता है, व्हाट इज दैट रिडक्शन? रिडक्शन मींस इट्स रिवर्स, दैट मींस एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड लॉस ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन इज कॉल्ड एज reduction. Okay students, and the next video, it is the types of respiration. What are that we'll discuss in the next video, next classes. Thank you all of students, have a nice day.